Hi.
Hi.
Today we are hiking the Ned Smith something or other trail
Sour Bear Lick Education Center.
in Millersburg, PA, and we're going to take you on an adventure. Do I dare do it?
Yes.
Am I going to get splinters?
Yes. How does my butt look?
Amazing. It's fine, it's fine. It's all good. So what is that down there with the green and the orange?
Looks like a giant. I have no idea.
So are you been sweating?
No.
Oh, I hate you. Because she keeps making me go uphill.
It's not nice. Just gonna go up that little one.
You can't tell incline on video, but you can hear how bad I'm sucking wind. Look how red my face is. Oh, messed up mascara. Oh, that's last night's mascara. That's good. Okay. Hey, you, love you. Bye.
I love you. I love you. All love.
Yeah, okay.
All love.
Okay. We've reached the summit. I don't see anyone tent camping or dying of altitude sickness. Other than me. We're headed down the Deer Run Trail. Can you tell it's down?
I sure can.
It's yourself in this video, girl.
Hi, here we are at the summit.
She's more fit than me. Guess who just peed?
Doesn't mean I'm not coming out of the woods for that. I'm going to explore.
We did it!
And here we have the Ned Smith Center for Nature and Art.
Yes. Here. So, feels like we have to be quiet.
We do.
Yeah, but it's a pretty cool place. Let me show you around.